Rbdca TV.
Karibhoi District Cricket Association nakashitrik nailur arajar pausan. Klapin keburam UMLE jangka jirang constituency ubak Sosthenes Sokton ubulongru. Advisor jangka association hadian berulah syajid banlong ku Myntri haka Sorkar jela. Ya kini kajing pun keburam lapan long hambadanya lekai cricket jangka Karibhoi District Cricket Association kebadan haka shnong nongkra haka balasa kilang da ke MDC jangka nongpo kekong rona kemdej President ke Rbdca uba Renol Kharkamni, Vice President uba Ferdinand Kharkamni, uba Michael Kharhunai General Secretary, Rubul Ali Officer in Charge keteran traffic nanongpo bat kiwe de.
Sosthenes was recently been entrusted.
Kajing Soviet, ya kajing Champagne, ya kajing ya elak kajing ibat keduk lang ya barok. Utau de uri orang ba, utau de ubadeng sotun ubang idon hal kade kapua. Tena kalian kajong ngaru, jaga pila ai kade kalan ka kabu, ngasui kaban ai kajing kublei ka bakerpang, ya i kum i ta i minister ai bat mai kalong kajing shngan, ila du no ya pa jong Rbdca mo kuman syuong akineki. Can see in this last few days we have lost the father of Rbdca district, but now we are getting the uncle of Rbdca district. Yes, he is just like the uncle, he is just like the eldest brother to all of us, not only for the Jirang constituency but for the entire Rbdca district. I'm so proud of him. Ngasuru ikaban ay kublay hang ne, ya I association kajungi hang ne, I Baba Renol Kharkamni, iba hagajing yalam kajungi, ngangis kem rengkat bat katim wok kajung pi, kajing don ki players, kajing don jongka management kebabiang lalak ban penulong ya kene kamadan ndai mensyua mano ban Sngew ya ke cricket baru we are rushing to football not to cricket, but now it seems as if everyone are rushing after the cricket. Why? Because in your leadership, in your management, everyone they have recognized, they have seen. Now we have introduced a new game, a national game of Indian, that is cricket, to our to the sport person of Rbdca district.
Minister, ngasopan ay ke jingiro bakraw ya ka Rbdca Cricket Association under the leadership of Renol Kharkamni. With the generosity of this village, I remember the first time I visited here, I never expect that the grass will come out as it is now. It's all with no hope at the time. But due to your dedication, the President, Secretary and all the members, your dedication to the job that you have taken and the dedication that the members have entrusted on you. So I feel that with this beautiful ground which we can see around now, so I hope that maybe we are hoping very much that in future there will be a very good stadium out here coming out. So all these, for these happenings, it depends upon you also, my dear boys and girls, all the players. You have a camp out here, you have a camp there in Sngew, and then hopefully we'll be having the camp there in our area also, in my constituency. And I've seen that cricket nowadays, it has attracted more and more participants, more and more players. And to tell you frankly, I hate cricket at one stage, but in the later stage of my youth time, I really involved myself in cricket, and not only cricket, I'm involving in football, in basketball, volleyball, hockey, cricket, and then table tennis, badminton. I'm a jack of all trades, but master of none. So we are expecting a lot from you guys, boys and girls. You have the Rbdca Cricket Association who has taken the initiatives. They're hardworking. It's not for them. They're hardworking, it's for you all. Because they want to see that Rbdca district will one day get many players to represent our state, to represent our country. So we are hoping, and I'm giving my best wishes. I'm lending my support. Kajing trelang na kaliang chunga bati baro ka association nang ta bati coach ki players baro ba nga criminal scam ba ka cricket lingba kani kamadan kaban insayo ban say shibun ki players ki bebet ile imenta babun ki players ki ba bet na katika area ka jong irong ina kithan baridwa na kithan kanapara nang ta na kithan parakma bonihat area kidon ki players ki ba Tibet kiba doni kata capacity, and for the fielding side, it's for the bowlers. You have to make full concentration. You have to make full concentration during the time that has been given to you, the 6 ball that you have to concentrate. And for the batting side, it's a matter of 1 ball. It's a matter of 1 ball. You have to fully concentrate, and it's not sport. It's not a game of one day that you can dream for. You have to every day. You have to continue your practice so that you can become a perfect player. So my best wishes to all of you, and my best wishes to the Rbdca Cricket Association. As always, I'll be with you together to work together for the upliftment of cricket and to the upliftment of sports in our district and the state as a whole.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.